Hi, this is a lesson on how to play Senorita, famous pop song. For this song, we will need 5 chords, which are A minor, then C major. Notice we just have to move one finger from A minor to C major. Fingers 1 and 2 stay where they are. Then F major, again 2 fingers stay where they are, which are finger 1 and 3. They don't move. Then we go to E minor and then G major. This might be the hardest change of them all, so you can just stay practicing this one. E minor, G major, E minor, G major. Now, every chord is gonna be played for 2 bars, except E minor and G major, which are played just for 1 bar each. And practice this really slow. So I'm gonna count and we can play it together. It's gonna be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. And so on. Just practice this really slow before trying to play it fast. And with the right hand, we're just playing beat 1. So again, if you play this at the original speed, it should sound something like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. In fact, I think the original is a bit faster than that. Something like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. You can use a metronome to practice at different speeds. Remember to start really slow. Now for the melody, we'll need to place the right hand just after the bridge. It doesn't matter if it's an acoustic or an electric guitar. Just place your hand after the bridge to get this kind of sound. If you don't place your hand there, you will get this. The speed is really not important to start with. Just make sure you play the right notes.